Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Deerfield, local and long distance movers near me. Our team of professional movers will make sure your long distance move goes properly. No matter how far you need to go or move, our qualified movers will make it so much simpler. Moving isn't easy, however, using the best moving services can definitely make it so much easier. If you're looking for a general move or a full service move, we offer all the choices you require, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. It may not be easy to rationalize the cost of working with an Illinois moving company. When you examine the main advantages you gain, the expenses can make it easier to manage. The time savings you get can easily make hiring a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. You will also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our professional movers provide efficiency with each and every move. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 Movers simply because we simplify your entire move. We can complete even the largest move in only a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Deerfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.